วัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome back to MsYoo Thai cooking channel. I hope you have a great day. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make stir-fry Chinese morning glory.
Chinese morning glory for 200 gram. Cooking oil for 1 tablespoon. Hot chili. 1 piece of lamb. And 5 cloves of garlic.
So I'm going to select my Chinese morning glory like 3 part. To select the Chinese morning glory is also important. So you just use baby part and select like 5 centimeter, like this long. So but this part is kind of like a little bit old, so I'm not gonna using that. Like this. And you still can use the leaf. That ผักบุ้งเป็น3ท่อนเด้อจ้ะแต่ว่าเอาแค่ว่าอันตรงอ่อนๆมันแต่ว่ามึงแกเฮาก็บ่เอาเฮาก็บ่กินเพราะว่ามันสิเคี่ยวยากเด้อจ้ะแต่ว่าใบมันยังใส่ได้เด้อจ้ะก็เฮาก็แดดเอาเฉพาะใบมันมา
Very beautiful Chinese morning glory and very popular in Thailand. And in Thailand, you can find this dish everywhere, every corner, street food, any Thai restaurant, whatever you prefer to go, you can find it. This is the all part of Chinese morning glory. It will stuck in your teeth if you eat that. มองล้ำแก่ๆนี่ก็กินได้ค่ะแต่ว่ามันก็อาจสิติดแขวหรือว่าติดคอก็ได้ค่ะ So I will select them all. It's already done.
So now I'm gonna smash the garlic. And for the garlic and for the chili, so you can smash it with a mortar or you can smash it with a cutting board. But if you smash with a mortar, that's gonna make the Chinese morning glory become more spicy.
พริกกับกระเทียมสิทุบหรือว่าสิตำก็ได้เด้อจ้าแล้วแต่ความชอบคันว่าเฮาตำเอามันก็สิเฮ็ดให้ผักบุ้งของเฮาเนี่ยมีรสชาติที่เผ็ดกว่าจ้ะ
Alright guys, now I'm gonna seasoning everything before I throw the Chinese morning glory to the wok.
ปรุงรสก่อนนำไปผัดค่ะ 1 tablespoon of soybean paste เต้าเจี้ยว1 ช้อนโต๊ะค่ะ oyster sauce for 1 tablespoon ซอสหอย1 ช้อนโต๊ะค่ะ 1 tablespoon of fish sauce น้ำปลา1 ช้อนโต๊ะจ้ะ1 teaspoon of sugar น้ำตาล1 ช้อนซ่าจ้ะ 1 piece of lime juice น้ำบักนาว1 ซีกค่ะ and then mix it up. Now I will put smashed garlic and chili at the top of the Chinese morning glory ใส่บักพริกกับกระเทียมทุบลงไปบนผักบุ้งจ้ะThen pour the seasoning that I'll mix into it. เทเครื่องปรุงลงไปเลยค่ะ Then add 4 tablespoons of water. ใส่น้ำลงไป4 ช้อนโต๊ะค่ะ Now turn the gas on and wait until the wok is very hot. Then add the cooking oil into the wok. And wait until the oil is very hot.Until you can see the smokes come up from the wok. Here we go. Now, Chinese morning glory in. And remember, use high heat and stir it fast. Stir frying like this will make the Chinese morning glory not to darken การผัดผักบุ้งต้องใส่ไฟแรงอย่างเดียวจ้า It's not difficult to find the Chinese morning glory. Just walk through to the Asian market. For this dish, you could eat with the steamed rice or rice soup. They're both very good. But MsYoo loves jasmine steamed rice. Now it's done. And turn the gas off. And pour it into your favorite dish. Set up your table and enjoy it. Very fast, very delicious, and very healthy. And this is stir-fried Chinese morning glory.
To all of you, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like this video. I hope this video was fun and helpful. And I hope you enjoy your homemade cooking. And please don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel for more. And I see you again next video. สวัสดีค่ะ Thank you so much for watching the video.
Bye.